Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I will be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to ferment cucumbers. Let's begin. We had a very good harvest of our cucumbers this year, and I decided to also ferment some to make it last a little bit longer. The variety we planted was Nostrano, and since it was also school holidays, I involved my daughter in this little project. First, place the cucumbers for about 30 minutes into an ice water bowl. This way the cucumbers will firm up, and then you cut a small slice towards the stem and rub it along like how she's doing it till it starts foaming. This actually removes the bitterness from the cucumber. Next, slice all the cucumbers into about 2 centimeters thickness. For making this recipe, you will need roughly about 4 medium-sized cucumbers, then 4 tablespoons of Himalaya pink salt and 2 liters of water. Slice all the cucumbers and place them tightly into a sterilized glass jar. In the meantime, dissolve the Himalaya pink salt into about 1 liter of warm water and set it aside. Pack the cucumbers tightly into this glass jar and pour in the salt water. Fill it up completely with the remaining filtered water. Place a fermenting weight into the bottle and then close it with a fermenting lid. I'm using a fermenting lid and a fermenting weight for this. I will leave the link below in the description box. Set it on the kitchen counter for about 4 to 5 days. You will notice that the cucumber starts turning its color and the brine starts to get a little bit cloudy. This is normal process of fermenting. In case you don't have a fermenting lid, sterilize a stone and place it with a Ziploc bag and close the jar loosely and set it aside. You can enjoy it as a salad or even as a side dish. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell notifications for the latest videos I've uploaded. Until next time, bye-bye.